Feeling a little shaky on your feet lately? If you're over 70, maintaining leg strength is crucial for an active and independent life. You don't want to be sidelined by weakness or falls. The food you eat plays a critical role in keeping those legs strong. In this video, I'm going to share 7 scientifically proven superfoods that can make a real difference in your leg strength and overall health. We'll dive into the science behind why they work, and I'll give you practical tips on how to easily incorporate them into your diet. Let's get started. First up, we've got leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, collard greens. These are your new best friends. Iron deficiency can cause leg weakness, especially as we age. Iron is crucial for delivering oxygen to your muscles. Pair leafy greens with vitamin C to boost iron absorption. Squeeze lemon juice on your salad or add bell peppers. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Simple dietary changes can make a big difference. Fuel your muscles with iron-rich leafy greens. Watch your energy and leg strength soar. Blend them into a smoothie or sauté them with garlic. Get creative in the kitchen and find what works for you. Next, let's talk about berries. These little gems are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to fighting inflammation. Inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, including your muscles, leading to pain, weakness, and slower recovery. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are loaded with antioxidants, which act like little warriors fighting off those inflammatory compounds. Think of antioxidants as your body's natural defense system against damage. They help protect your cells from harmful free radicals, which can contribute to aging and age-related diseases. By reducing inflammation, berries can help improve muscle function and recovery, leading to stronger, healthier legs. I always tell my patients that eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables is like giving your body a rainbow of protection. Each color represents different antioxidants with unique health benefits. So, don't be afraid to mix it up and enjoy a variety of berries throughout the week. One easy way to incorporate more berries into your diet is to add them to your breakfast. Throw some blueberries and raspberries into your yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. You can also enjoy them as a snack or dessert. Moving on to nuts and seeds. These are your secret weapons for muscle function and nerve health. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in muscle contractions and nerve impulses. When your magnesium levels are low, you might experience muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of magnesium. I remember treating a patient, a retired marathon runner, who was experiencing persistent muscle cramps in his legs. We discovered he wasn't consuming enough magnesium in his diet. I recommended he incorporate a handful of almonds or walnuts into his daily routine. A few weeks later, he reported a significant reduction in his cramps and was back to enjoying his daily runs. Think of magnesium as a spark plug for your muscles. It helps transmit the signals from your brain to your muscles, telling them to contract and relax. Without enough magnesium, those signals can get disrupted, leading to muscle weakness and cramps. Incorporating nuts and seeds into your diet is super easy. Sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or salad. Add a tablespoon of flaxseed to your smoothie, or simply enjoy a handful of almonds or walnuts as a snack. Let's talk about fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines. These are your brain-boosting, inflammation-fighting superheroes. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting overall muscle health. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce muscle soreness, improve blood flow to muscles, and even enhance muscle protein synthesis, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. I often recommend fatty fish to my patients who are experiencing age-related muscle loss or sarcopenia. Omega-3s can help slow down this process by reducing inflammation and supporting muscle growth. Think of omega-3s as lubricants for your joints and muscles. They help reduce inflammation, which can cause pain and stiffness, allowing your muscles to move more freely and efficiently. Plus, they support healthy blood flow, ensuring your muscles are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. You can grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it canned. Just make sure it's sustainably sourced. Now, let's talk about whole grains. We're talking brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread. These are your energy powerhouses. Unlike refined grains which have been stripped of their nutrients, whole grains are packed with fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like magnesium, all of which are essential for energy production and muscle function. Fiber is particularly important for regulating blood sugar levels, which can help prevent those energy crashes that can make you feel weak and tired. I remember seeing a patient, a retired teacher, who was constantly feeling fatigued and lacking the energy to do the things she loved. We made some dietary changes, swapping out refined grains for whole grains, and the results were remarkable. She had more energy, felt fuller for longer, and was even able to start taking those long walks in the park again. Think of whole grains as the slow-burning fuel your body needs to power through the day. They provide sustained energy, preventing those spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can leave you feeling drained and weak. Make the switch to whole grains gradually, and be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to aid in digestion. Let's move on to dairy products. We're talking milk, yogurt, cheese. These are your bone-strengthening, muscle-supporting champions. Dairy products are rich in calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. But calcium also plays a vital role in muscle contractions. Without enough calcium, your muscles can't contract properly, leading to weakness and fatigue. I've seen countless patients, especially women, who are at risk for osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. Ensuring adequate calcium intake through dairy products or other calcium-rich foods is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing fractures, which can significantly impact mobility and independence. Think of calcium as the building block for strong bones. It provides the structural support your bones need to withstand stress and impact. And strong bones are crucial for supporting strong muscles and preventing falls. If you're lactose intolerant, there are plenty of lactose-free dairy options available, or you can get your calcium from other sources like leafy greens, fortified plant-based milk, or calcium supplements. Last but not least, let's talk about legumes. We're talking beans, lentils, chickpeas. These are your plant-based protein powerhouses. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, which is especially important as we age. Legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein, along with fiber, iron, and other essential nutrients that support muscle health. I often recommend legumes to my patients who are looking to increase their protein intake without relying solely on animal products. They're a versatile and affordable way to boost your protein intake and support your overall health. Think of protein as the building block for strong muscles. It provides the amino acids your muscles need to repair and rebuild after activity, preventing muscle loss and promoting strength. Incorporate legumes into your diet by adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even making veggie burgers. So there you have it, 7 superfoods that can make a real difference in your leg strength and overall health. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet, along with regular exercise, is key to maintaining your independence and enjoying your golden years to the fullest. By making simple dietary changes and prioritizing these nutrient-rich foods, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to stay strong, active, and vibrant. It's never too late to start taking charge of your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with these superfoods in the comments below. Have they made a difference in your leg strength or overall health? For more information on senior nutrition and healthy aging, check out my other videos on the channel. And stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing my top tips for preventing falls and staying active as you age. Your support helps me continue to create informative content like this. If you'd like to support the channel further, consider making a donation through the link in the description below.